This 2025 Grand Design Influence 3503 GK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 38 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleep 6, oven, awning, auxiliary battery, water heater, stovetop burner, smoke detector, LP detector, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Influence 3503 GK is 13,868 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.